Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 2 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been neutralized close to Torskoye of Donetsk People's Republic and Kremenная of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy losses were over 6.
Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia dalam laporan hariannya di Telegram pada Sabtu 20 Mei 2023 mengatakan di Artyomovsk, unit penyerang berjuang untuk membebaskan bagian barat kota. Satuan dari Kelompok Pasukan Rusia memberikan perlindungan dan penahanan musuh di sisi-sisi lainnya. Penerbangan Rusia telah melakukan 6 serangan mendadak di area ini pada siang hari. Artileri Grup juga telah melakukan 73 misi penembakan. Kerugian militer Ukraina adalah lebih dari 95 prajurit dan tentara bayaran Ukraina, 1 tank, 1 pengangkut, personel lapis baja, 3 truk pick-up, dan 3 sistem artileri gerak sendiri Govosdika. Bos Tentara Bayaran Rusia pada Sabtu 20 Mei 2023 mengklaim pasukannya mengambil kendali penuh atas kota Bakhmut atau Artyomovsk setelah pertempuran terpanjang dan paling sengit dalam perang Rusia-Ukraina. Namun pejabat pertahanan Ukraina membantah klaim tersebut, seperti yang dilaporkan oleh Associated Press pada Sabtu 20 Mei 2023.
130 howitzer. In the Artyomovsk tactical direction, the assault units continue fighting to liberate the western part of the city. The units of the EU group of forces provide cover and containment of the enemy on the flanks. Operational tactical and army aviation, as well as artillery, have hit the enemy units close to Bogdanovka and Yagodnaya of Donetsk People's Republic. The Russian aviation have made 6 sorties in this area during the day. The group's artillery has performed 73 fire-on missions. The enemy losses were over 95 Ukrainian servicemen and mercenaries, 1 tank, 1 armored personnel carrier, 3 pickup trucks, and 1 Govosdika self-propelled artillery system. In the Donetsk direction, as a result of the artillery fire and active actions of the EU group of forces, the enemy suffered losses of up to 210 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 5 motor vehicles, 1 Polish-made Krupp self-propelled artillery system, and 1 D-20 howitzer. In addition, 2 ammunition, rocket, and artillery weapon depots of the Ukrainian 110th Mechanized Brigade have been destroyed close to Avdiivka of Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, the units of the Vostok group of forces have hit the enemy units close to Ugledar of Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy losses were up to 85 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 motor vehicles, and 1 Stabi howitzer. In the Kherson direction, the enemy losses were over 30 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 3 motor vehicles. Operational tactical and army aviation, as well as artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation, have neutralized 72 Ukrainian artillery units at their fire-on positions, manpower and military equipment in 89 areas. 1 US-made AN-typic U-50 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Kupanki of Kharkov region. Air defense facilities have intercepted 12 HIMARS MLRS projectiles, Storm Shadow long-range cruise missiles, and 1 US-made GBU-32 guided air bomb. Moreover, 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been intercepted close to Verkhnyatoretskoye, Novoandreevka, Sladkoye of Donetsk People's Republic, Kremenная, Ploshanka, and Novodruzhevsk of Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 428 airplanes, 234 helicopters, 4,236 unmanned aerial vehicles, 423 air defense missile systems, 9,236 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,100 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,859 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 10,322 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.